Hey, good morning. It's JB Electric. We're here. We had one of our electricians has done his first panel. There's his weatherhead up there. He did a good job. He's got his clevis up there. He's got his pipe mast. He strapped it twice there. Did a really nice job. Panel's nice and square and even. His ground rod went right underneath the panel right here. Here you got to run a continuous. So this has to be continuous. You see that there's a wire going down the middle there. Then you've got these MC clamps on the other side. And then this goes all the way over to, he did a real nice job strapping this up. It looks great. Over here to this, and he did a really clean job on this. Right here to our gas pipe. And then boom, right over to a water pipe right there. That was a simple deal. They're not always that simple. But we had to pull out of this old panel right here. If you look at this, it's old fuse type. And it's got a disconnect right here with fuses in here. This thing is ancient. I'm sure it doesn't even look like it changed out this meter socket. It looks like the same old meter socket that's been in there for years. But he pulled here. He did his nice connection here. So we're going to come out of here. There's only 4 circuits. So we're going to come out here in this 3/4 all the way down along here and then up over here into our new panel. And then, so of course we can pull new circuits out of this panel any given time. He did a really clean job. This can't be higher than 6'3", which we put right about 66 inches every time we do them, so it stays within code. Of course, we had to do call before you dig. They came along and they marked all their stuff. I don't know what happened to those, but the flags were all here. They did mark all this stuff. So, anyways, just taking some photos of this, video of this to make sure that it's documented really well. So, all right, thank you for watching and have a good day.